Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on this KYY remote monitor. It's 15.6. Let's open it up. All right, let's take the plastic off and see exactly what is on the inside. Always be careful. These things can fall out. You never know. Oh yeah. All right. Looks like it's a very well packaged. Adapter. There's the actual screen. Cables. So let's open up all this stuff and see exactly what we get. Looks like it comes in it. Oh yeah. It's already got like a case on it. Like a magnetic case. That's really nice actually. Huh. There's like a screen protector on it. Anxious to see how this looks. I'm gonna plug it into a Mac Mini. Ooh, yeah, it looks nice. So the case is already on it. All right, let's open up each one of these. Each one of these are a Ziploc bag. That's really nice. Okay, got a power adapter. We're gonna have to plug this into the wall. Input is 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 2.4 amps. Comes with an this looks like a mini HDMI to HDMI. This is a USB-A to USB-C. And then this is USB-C to USB-C. This looks like a really nice cable here. All right, let's go plug this in to the wall. So this looks like the bottom on the left side. Looks like we have power maybe, volume, headphone jack on the other side. Looks like that's where that mini HDMI cable goes, and 2 USB-C ports. Okay, so I just turned it on. The symbol comes on. No signal, so I think it comes on automatically. So I can turn it off and then turn it on with this button over here. So looking at the directions, I can plug that power cord into either USB-C port. Both of them supply power, both of them transmit audio and video signal, and both of them are USB 3.1, the mini HDMI port. Yeah, so it does have a built-in speaker, power button, volume, and headphone jack. Okay, so I plugged the USB-C cable out of my Mac Mini up to here, and I did this. It looks really nice. It's a very nice display. Yeah, I am super happy with this display. I hope my video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.